In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect hosting or domain with Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin account. This is where you manage your store settings, products, and domain connections. Once you are inside the dashboard, look toward the lower left area of the screen and open Settings. From there, select Domains. This section is where Shopify lets you manage any domain that is already connected, and it is also where you can add a new one. After you are on the Domains page, click Connect Existing Domain. This option is for a domain that you already own through another provider and want to use with your Shopify store. When the field appears, enter your domain name carefully, then click Next to continue. Make sure the domain is typed correctly, because even a small spelling mistake can stop the connection from working properly. At this point, Shopify may try to detect your domain provider and guide you through the setup. If the automatic connection option is available, you can use it by logging in through the provider prompt. If not, choose Connect manually. This option gives you the settings you need so that your domain can point to Shopify correctly. Manual connection is common, and it gives you more control over the process if the automatic method is not available. Once you choose one of those connection methods, return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. This tells Shopify to check whether the domain settings are correct and whether the connection has started properly. In some cases, verification works right away. In other cases, it can take a little time for domain changes to update across the internet. That delay is normal, so if it does not connect immediately, give it some time and then check again. As you go through this process, pay close attention to what Shopify shows on screen. The platform will usually tell you whether the connection is complete or if something still needs to be updated. If you are using a domain from another provider, the overall process inside Shopify is still the same. Go to Settings, open Domains, choose to connect an existing domain, enter the domain, continue with either the manual or login-based connection, and then verify it. That covers everything you need to know.